time to start editing too. We need to take a break and start editing. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Nah, that's some sort of amphibian. Oh. It's like a samurai without his sword. It's just, huh? You know, like that. You know, like the anime moments, huh? Feeling like Michael Jackson today. I'm in a Michael Jackson mood. I want to hear "Don't Stop Till You Get Enough." Them man are selling food from the coach.
What in the world is going on up in here?
It's a food coach. Yeah, them type of places there is when you walk into Bana Zoo and next thing you know there's a snake on your foot.
God have mercy upon us.
That's my name. My name here is something long.
Just use your common sense. Robert, stop it. Y'all quit playing. Quit playing.
We're gonna have to cancel the order and go elsewhere. Then it would have just been a waste of time.
I see a big tray. I'm like, I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
A jungle. Looking like a jungle. Wow, wow, wow. Very relaxing. Yeah, for real.
Oh my goodness. This place is off the hook.
But yeah, we're back in that 7-Eleven. We're back in that 7-Eleven. Summer. See, I'm feeling something milky and something like a little protein shake. I don't know, since I've been here in Thailand, I've been feeling for like milky drinks. Vanilla, banana, those type of things. Yeah. This type of stuff. I like this quality stuff. If you come in Thailand and you want your stomach in check, get one of these. Serious. Man, them says serious. Don't want to do that at home. Need you. Save that for tonight. No. Let's go for the 4-in-1 blueberry one. Just to make sure the stomach's alright. Let's get a snack as well. A little chocolate or something. Let's get a little chocolate. Or little dates or something. See the kicker. Sabadika. How are you? Another one there. Whoa. See what that's saying. See what is that? Hello. Barika. Might as well call a cabinet. I've got some change on me as well. Might as well take these ones. Yeah. How much is the taxi saying?
Searching.
Problem. I don't know if you guys noticed, my accent has changed since coming to Thailand.
Oh, it's like 80 to 120.
Right.
It's like 15-minute drive.
That's right.
Yeah, ain't too bad.
Imagine all that weed, guess how much? 100 baht.
So, no way.
Yeah, bro. Good quality weed is on top of that.
20
Yeah.
20 baht.
Yeah. And then man.
No, 100 baht. You said.
100 baht. Yeah.
But that's like £2, bro.
That's it.
In the UK, that'd be like what, 20?
And he gave me 2 more suits.
She's feeling the aura just radiating.
The Aurora.
The demon
We call it
slayer.
Aura no more. We call it Aurora. And the aura is just radiating, glistening, just pulsating. That's when the aura is just pulsating. That's when it becomes Aurora.
100.
Aura is just the light when the light comes on. But
Oh, is it?
Aurora is when it's pulsating and you can't even bear to be in the same frequency. That's what it's Aurora. Baby, wait for you. Give me. She's a real good girl. With the girls that work at 7-Eleven, they're real good girls.
Until that's him. They're coming down. Jeez, man, it's still rolling, you know. Huh?
Sure, it's this one.
Yeah. You're right. Going to Beach Road?
Huh?
Beach Road?
Still out here looking for the massage. Right now we on Pattaya Beach. It's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah. Let me see the background.
Just a quick turn around. Let's just see. This is Beach Road.
What's that?
Okay. Oh, this is nice,
That's
man.
a ladybird.
Is it? Boy.
Can I kick back here for a second?
Man, just chill a little bit here, yeah?
Yeah. Something relaxing about the shore.
Sea salt, innit?
So plus,
No negativity.
it's the first time we've actually been this close to the waters.
This is
Thailand.
actually mad. We've been there for how long?
For 3 days, 4 days now.
The one place we have been is all the chicks are. Wait, what's this? No, don't worry. There's too many ladyboys around. You know?
This is the Ladyboy Avenue.
Is it?
God have mercy upon us.
Be careful. It's a long road. We have to go to the end. Yeah, long road. You have to walk all the way to the end. Might as well start walking.
Yeah?
Yeah. Pull up.
Let's go, bro.
Pull up. Walk slow though. Walk slow. If you see any massages on the way, you can go through that. You know what I mean? Somebody.
Has she got like 4 dogs on her or something?
No.
Is it just me? Yeah.
Right. Glass bags.
Oh,
7-Eleven bags. Nice vibe, man. Feeling like Michael Jackson. Even coming here in the daytime is alright, but they say that this water is not as clean as either Jomtien or
Oh, this is dirty water, isn't it?
yeah, not dirty, but let's just say it's not as clean. We're still swimming.
Jeez. My man getting some action.
Koh Lang got the best water. Koh Lang.
Koh Lang.
Yeah, that's the island all the way to the other side.
Okay, I see. Harat's pub.
Nice. Wanna go back on the main street, see what that's saying?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I jiggy, man. No diddy, man. Everyone a biddy, man. I wanna get it, gun. I'm not a mini, man.
Hey.
I'm not mini, man. I'm not in a mini, man. I'm not a mini, man. Diddy, man. I wanna diddy, man. Oh, no, diddy, man. That's cozy over here. That's cozy.
So this is beach road.
Chris. Blip blip. That's when the zoot gets blip blip. That's when the zoot gets barked. Look at this. You ready? You have to catch it again, baby. Are you ready? That was the evil smirk when the zoot gets pulled up. Big zoot gonna get barked while walking on the beach. Huh? Big puffer pump of a zoot. Are you gonna hit this? You're gonna hit this one?
I can't because my sore. Also.
Oh, I see. You've been listening too much.
Trust me, bro.
You wanna lily man, no diddy man. You wanna lean like a diddy gun. One son of Nina man, right Twitter fan.
Fat Coco. Shot. Holiday Inn. Some nice beach, man.
Beach.
Whoa, that's literally like.
Guy's got a bad.
Man, I was pissed because we're looking at his chick.
So two giants looking at his thing. So two giants looking at his woman.
Trust me.
She knew she wanted to climb something. Hello, Badika. Hello, somebody. Somebody. Them old ladies are ready to take care of her, man.
Hey, there's some body massage right there.
Where?
Honey too.
Dragon belly. Let's go dragon belly. No, that's Chinese.
Yeah.
I definitely don't want no dragon belly.
You don't want no dragon belly,
Definitely don't want no dragon belly.
Man said dragon belly.
You go there, your anus be on fire. You got that dragon belly. Yeah, where's that massage you're talking about? Heaven and earth massage, pala.
Body massage. Hey, that looks dodge, I ain't gonna lie.
Where?
Because I think it's down that way. But it seems like there's some stores further down.
Yeah. Those are the best type of massages.
Is it?
Yeah.
How do you know?
That's the best type of massage. That's where heaven and earth is. Some people say you find heaven through hell. They were chatting shit.
You ready? Come on, squirrel, man. Let's just
Don't lick us
go.
down.
Slow down, Chin. Hell's wrong with you?
Don't lick us
Let's just
down.
go, let's just go, let's just go.
MashaAllah.
Body
Assalamu
massage.
alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, is that what I think it is, bro?
Somebody.
Somebody. Ooh.
We're getting some good footage today. Look at this place. Beautiful. Think about Thailand architecture. It's beautiful.
Well designed.
Wish you were beer. Nah, we don't do no beer. Somebody. Dragon belly. Got a
God.
dragon bull, look.
Oh,
That's the Dragon Bull milk.
shit.
They got the Dragon Bull milk and they got the dim sum. I'm gonna grab the rope before we get licked down by this.
A1 Pattaya.
That's why vlogging like this, you won't find a lot of UK man can do. UK man, a lot of UK man, they don't have no character.
Yeah.
or their character is based on a clone. Of
They're
a-
trying to be someone they're not.
Yeah, exactly.
Just be you.
Be you, my friend. Be you. And maybe you can have some dragon belly over here.
Man. This is mad. Do you know what? The design of this building looks like a ship. If you actually look at it, and look at it from this angle, that looks like the ship's.
Yeah. So say the architecture looks mad.
Yeah.
It looks like Noah's Ark.
Whoever designed this, well done.
It looks like Noah's Ark. We don't want to see no booty today. We just want to see hands. We just want to see hands. Mood Hotel. Big shout out. Dragon Belly. Somebody.
Hey, Dragon Belly is real quiet.
Real quiet. It's closed by now.
Look at that, real quiet.
Closed by now. Cannabis monster. I'm definitely the cannabis monster. You know what I mean?
At that point, it's just like. Oh shit, this place is nice. Oh, this place is alright, you know. The pool table. Pattaya. Sawadee. Whoa, look at that place, man. Look at that, that's beautiful.
Hey, this is nice. Hey, cutie.
That does, yeah?
Huh?
You get some good content today.
Yeah.
Where the hell we at now?
Massage parlor, heaven on earth.
Now this is more like it. I'm about to go in here and get a massage and a hot tea bath right now.
Go for massage. Very relaxing. Very relaxing, chill. Take it off, take it off.